Extending the verb. The meanings of IsiXhosa verb stems can be altered through the use of various, or what we call infixes, before the final A. And here are some examples, the first of which expresses reciprocity. Beta, hit, betana, hit one another. For example, amakhwenkwe ayalwa, ayabethana kakubi. The boys are fighting and they are hitting one another severely. Tanda, love, tandana, love one another. Umama no tata bayathandana. Mom and dad love one another. Sebenzisa, use, sebenzisana, use one another or interact. Ulozi usebenzisana kakuhle nabantu. Lozi interacts well with people. And as we can see, this an infix before the final A brings reciprocity to the meaning of the verb. Number 2, expressing for or on behalf of or motion towards. Tenga by, tengela by for. Umama utengela abantwana ilekese. Mom buys sweets for the children. Linda, wait, lindela, wait for. Ndilindele itaxi, I am waiting for the taxi. Pheka, cook, phekela, cook for. Umama uphekela usapho ukutya. Mom cooks food for the family. Vula, open, vulela, open for. Indoda ivulela unkosikazi, or inkosikazi for that matter, ucango. The man opens the door for the lady or for his wife. Bala, write, balela, write to. Umntwana ubhalela abazali ileta. The child is writing a letter to his parents. Buya, buyela, return to. Kufuneka ubuyele ekliniki ngomvulo. You must return to the clinic on Monday. So here we can see that the EL infix brings the meanings for, or on behalf of, or motion towards to the verb.